Hi everyone. Again, this is Martin from Finance Oracle. I trust you're doing well today and you're having a great day. Well, I'm here again today to share with you mind lifting videos that will help you to achieve your growth quickly. Well, today I'm going to be talking about reprogramming your mind. We need to reprogram our mind because our mind has become one of the reasons why we are still down. If we reprogram our mind today, we are going to have a brand new program in our mind, and this brand new program is going to gear us towards success. Well, today I will start a bit spiritual by stating from the book of Genesis what God has promised us. God gave us dominion over every living thing, over everything which He has created. That means to me that God has given me authority over all these things. And if God has given me authority over the resources, it means I can actually harness the resources and I will be able to reap from it. So if you have this in mind, then you will start thinking positively and you will see possibilities and realize that you are limitless. Oftentimes we limit ourselves when we are limitless and we do not see possibilities in the things which surround us. Well, today I want to tell you something. Stop talking down on yourself. Oftentimes we talk down on ourselves. Oh, I don't have the education. I don't have the qualification. I'm good for nothing. No, I'm not as good as they are. Stop thinking they are better than you. Yes, they could appear to be better than you, but not in reality. Try to see your unique strengths, your unique values, and convert them to strengths. And this strength will skyrocket your growth, and you will realize that you've got the potential needed to achieve growth. Number two is stop thinking there are jobs you cannot do. Oftentimes we think that we've got a lot of education, we've got a lot of exposure, our family background, the things which we know, the things which we have as skills and what we can do and all that. And we think, no, I can't be in this position. Why would I have to do this kind of job? And you just think it is for the non-educated or for the non-civilized or for those who do not have resources. And what happens to you? By the time you think this, you realize that it keeps you down from opportunities. Now you see, let me give you an example. There is a phone there is a phone village in Nigeria where people actually go to repair phones. Some of these guys who repair phones makes as much as 5,000 naira as the median income per phone. What do I mean? If they repair about 10 phones in a day, for each of them, they make some of them 3,000, some of them they make 8,000, 10,000. So a median income of 5,000, which means in a day about 50,000. And in a month after his expenses, you realize he has got lots of money. And another person said, no, I'm educated, I can't do this job. He refused to do it. And he goes to do a banking job. He earns 150,000, sometimes 200, at most 300,000 for a very senior level. You realize that the phone repairer who probably is not educated could make 300% of what you make as a banker, even more than 300% in some cases. So you can imagine. This is the reason why Larry Ellison, while addressing the class of 2010 in Yale University, by the way, he was the second richest man in the planet as at then. Currently, he's the sixth richest man, and is a powerful man and a CEO of Oracle. Larry Ellison said to them, what I can see is hundreds of losers. And everybody became amazed. Why? He said, yes, I can see hundreds of losers. Because a cap and a gown will keep you down. And he gave them instances how the richest men in the planet were all school dropouts, apart from few of them. And he's not encouraging them to drop out, but he's trying to tell them that you must remove ego for you to succeed. Sometimes look beyond pride and ego and incline on a good business which will help you to achieve growth. Number three is a popular saying which says, your network is your net worth. But that is true. The network of people that you surround yourself with is the net worth of value you own. You need to surround yourself with people who have the same aspiration those who inspire you, those who you see as role model, those who share the same dream and set goals with you, then you'll be able to share opportunities and values. And you'll be able to share inspiration, and you will grow. Your network is the net worth. Number 4 is gratitude. It is very important for us to give gratitude, especially to God. By the time you give gratitude, you realize that you will be able to have a positive mindset, because gratitude makes you see what you have achieved, and gratitude opens your eye to what you can achieve more. And you say, okay, if I'm here, it means I can be here. And then you're going to work towards it. Gratitude builds a positive mindset and what we call a growth mindset. Number 5 is celebration. Sounds funny? Well, not partying. Celebrate with those who are celebrating. Even the Bible said, and rejoice with those who are rejoicing. Sometimes we are not happy with each other when you see your friends growing. But that is a negative mindset. By the time you celebrate with them, what you see is a kind of directional setting. Let me use that word. You realize that, okay, he's here today. It means that I will get there. Because he was here with me and now he's here, it means that next is my turn. So you have to develop that mindset. If you do that, then you see your growth will come quickly. Number 6 sounds very funny. Sometimes you need to sell what you have to get what you don't have. I've seen young men who have very nice business plan, but you know what happened to them? This business plan never materialized. It was never implemented. What was the reason? They didn't have the income, and they were relying on an uncle or a brother or a bank to finance it, which never happened. And that business plan died or got outdated. Be also aware that business plan becomes obsolete after some times, because other people have to take over, and other technology and way of doing things will come in very soon, right? So these guys never did. But then some persons also, you see someone who has excellent business plan, and he has got a plot of land he can sell for 4 million, and he needs 3 million for his business plan. He kept his plot. No, I don't sell things. And his plot of land was there lying. He could not develop it because he doesn't have money, and he never started a business which should have made him a multi-millionaire. And if he became a millionaire, he could buy 10 times of that land, and he could build, he could develop it, he could invest again. Sometimes you sell what you have and get what you don't have. Number 7 is collaboration, and it's a very important one for me. I would like you to pay attention. Sometimes you need to collaborate, because collaboration is one quick way to achieve growth. When you collaborate, it's not all about money. Sometimes you don't have money, you collaborate. Another time you have money, you don't have the resources. There are resources. Money is one of the resources. You have resources like management. You have resources like skills. You have resources like even marketing, which is part of skill. There are people who have these resources. You have to collaborate with them. I've seen young men and women who had excellent business ideas also, who never accepted collaboration because they were always afraid of collaboration. But then collaboration in itself is not a danger. I've told you about risk. Okay, I will tell you about risk soon. Collaboration itself is not dangerous. Yes, you could find someone, you have to find someone who has the sales skills you need for collaboration, that has resources. But then, if you don't collaborate, you realize that your business idea will never materialize. And this is the reason why hundreds and thousands of persons have buried their business plan in the grave. They died with their business plan, they got buried with their business plan, and that is why there are many business plans in the casket, many already rotten in the grave. Do not let your business plan rotten. Because even when you die, your business plan could be the reason why your generation will continue to survive. And that is the reason why you have to learn to collaborate. And number 8 and the last, I'll tell you about the billionaire mindset. Because now we have to program our mind to become the billionaire mindset, to have the billionaire mindset. Well, there is a book written by Scott Anderson, which is captioned Think like a billionaire, become a billionaire. And really, after I read this book, I started thinking like a billionaire and I live my life that way. Well, there are 7 things billionaires do differently. And this is the main reason why we are still down. Number 1 is money. We see money as what we need to spend. Once we have money, we want to go for vacation, we want to enjoy. Billionaire sees money as what he has to invest. Number 2 is investment. We invest very little and we spend more or save more. Billionaire invests almost 100% because he believes that investment is what will make him rich. Number 3 is job. We see job like what will make you rich. But billionaire see job like what will tie him down. He believes that investment is only what will make him rich. Number 4 is risk. We do not take risks. We stay away from risk. But billionaire believes that if he doesn't take risks, he has already failed. He sees risk as the reason why he will continue to grow. Another one is problem, number 5. We avoid problem and we are afraid of it. But billionaire believe that problem is a gateway to opportunities. Next is preparation, number 6. We prepare for today. Billionaire prepare today for tomorrow. He believes that today he has to prepare for tomorrow opportunities. And that is why they invest a lot. And number 7, and the last, is time, which is the greatest asset. For us, we waste our time, but billionaire sees time as his greatest assets. It is important, after hearing this, to plug in your code to your computer and download a fresh program and reprogram your mindset. Because if you're able to reprogram your mindsets, put these things together, put them into practice, watch it for 2 years, and give me a call, and send me a message, and tell me where you were and where you have achieved or what you have achieved in the next 2 years. You will realize that things have changed so greatly. Please, I want you to stay tuned and continue to watch our video. If you have not subscribed yet, please do not forget to subscribe. Click like, share with your friends, and do not forget to ring the bell so that whenever we post a video, you will receive and you'll be able to watch it. We still have a lot of mind-blowing videos on the way. Stay tuned and stay blessed. Ciao for Finance Oracle.